Hey everyone, this is Rusty here. Welcome to the show. Today we got this DCP first gear, engine, chassis, wheels, and tires. Hey, this is just the skull of a big rig. We're going to make something custom out of it. We're not real sure what we're going to do with it. Let's take a closer look at this piece. This is pretty cool. We're over here at the DCP shop. You know, I'm a truck driver for almost 40 years. I just had a couple of days off, swung by the old Fishy Fredville. Here we are, having fun. Hey, man, Sockhat Joe says the whole Fishy Fred crew's got a lot of discussion going on what kind of ride we want to make out of this DCP rig chassis. Hey, this thing is a beast. It's a triaxle, and this motor, it's got the big diesel on it. It will go and pull and haul about anything. Hey, you know, I'm a lowrider dude. I don't know what we're going to do, man. I'm excited. That's what a done did said. Big Muddy's excited too there, Sockhat Joe. I can make me a monster truck out of this thing, that triaxle. It'd be really hard to get that beast stuck. I don't know what kind of body we're going to end up putting on this thing. Let's ask all of our viewers out there. Viewers, what y'all think about what we ought to make out of this custom? You think it ought to be a car or a truck or some kind of exotic car, man? We're going to put some kind of body on this beast. Hey, appreciate your comment. Have a great day.